To replace the lights or tubes inside of the visualizer of Visualizer 2, you first need to turn off the visualizer on the back left side and then remove the plug. To access the white tubes or lights on the bottom, you'll first need to remove the glass. To do that, you can use a screwdriver to pry up the side, lift it up and remove it. Then you can twist the tube and pull it up through the slot on both sides and then remove it. You'll need to replace both the front and the back tube at the same time. And then when you're ready to put in the new one, you just do the reverse, sliding it inside the slot and twisting it about 45 degrees. Then replace the glass. To access the white light from the top, the UV 366 light and the UV 254, you'll need to remove this plate. To do that, you remove the bottom screw. You can slide it towards the right. Then you need to slide out the filter support. Pull that forward. Move it all the way. So then you have the UV 254 on the top position, UV 366, and then the white light. It's the same on the right side. You'll need to replace both tubes at the same time. So if you needed to replace the UV 254, you need to replace it both on the left and the right side at the same time. So to remove it, you can twist the tube and then pull it through the slot and then pull it out. And then you can put in the new tube, same way. Sliding it into the slot. And then twisting it about 45 degrees. Then before you close this, you'll need to slide the filter support back in. And then put the screw back in. After the screw is tightened, go ahead and put the plug back in and turn it on to test and make sure that the lights come back on.